I'm gonna show you all the different ways I eat pickles. Okay, this one, no hate. I know I'm not the only one that eats dry ramen noodles, but dry ramen noodles, if I had more hands right now, I would spread the cottage cheese on this. Guys, please don't knock it until you try it. My TMJ is screaming. High protein, low cal, pickle and cottage cheese. Guys, this is the best thing ever. It's just number one. Stay tuned. I need to hockey sip my roommate's water because pickles make me thirsty. Chips. These chips are like not the chips I'm looking for. Like I'd rather like a Lay's wavy, but they'll have to do. They're like healthy Trader Joe's lentil onion rings.